Hey Jammers, I just wanted to say that this video was a little cringy, so, stay tuned. Anyways, let's start. Dora, did you hear that? No. No. Dora. 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 I'm sick of this. Boots, come here. Dora. Dora, I don't really care. Boots, did you hear that? No. What was that sound again? Help! I can't find my boy. Don't worry, we'll help you find your lost moth and then we'll eat it. Alright, we're gonna need your help from this dumb wolf to help find the baby. And then we'll eat it. Alright, let's go, Boots. Alright, what sound does the bugga bugga baby make? Jesus! Alright, we need to listen to that beautiful bugga bugga noise. Let me take a closer look at this. Alright kids, where's the bugga bugga baby? It's behind the grass, are you dumb? Mama, you must come to our party tonight. All the animals and bugs are gonna be there. Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you. Good. Thanks. A party tonight, Boots. You know what that means. I'm gonna be eating big tonight. Yes. 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 Had a little bit of a moment there. Took my depression pills. I'm good to go. But it's a long and dangerous trail to the treehouse. We're gonna need some help from a certain piece of parchment. Hey, you dumb boy. You stupid idiot. Pay attention. We're gonna need some help from Backpack, too. Map, come on. I know you're out here. You're not gonna play any tricks on me. Come on, you just gotta say map. Say map. Milk. Oh. God, Mira, steak, map, come out. I'm the map, shut up, map, nobody cares. Nobody cares. Oh, okay. First, you gotta go through a river. Okay. Okay, first off, you gotta go over Alligator Lake, and that crap is horrible. Speaking of the murders there, yeah, you'll find a lot of dead bodies in the river. Yeah. And then you just got a wall. Just a random wall sitting in the middle of nowhere that nobody even cares about. And then you're there. That does not look like a shut up map. Nobody even cares. Oh boy, this way it is then. Boots, look, it's Tico. Hola Dora, hola Boots. Would you by chance want to buy a balloon? No. She's for, and I'm a monkey. We have no currency. I heard his wife left him and now he has to sell balloons to make money. I guess it's true. Oh crap, is that Viper? Dora, Hi, we need to get you away. I heard he killed 6 little wolves last week. I'm tired of running, Boots. I'm strapped up. I got weapons in my backpack. But I can't grab him because it's home says backpack. Kid, say backpack. Say backpack. My life is literally in your hand. Swiper, what are you? Oh, mirror's sake, this kid is useless. Swiper, no! No! Dang, that guy's evil. That's why we need your help to get the balloons back. Will you help us? No. God, we got his balloons anyway. Such a waste of time. God. Dora, we're at Alligator Lake now. Oh crap. Boots, are you okay? Yeah, man. I think I'm good. Okay, but how are we gonna get past this fence? This wall? Ah, whatever, Dora. We can just climb over it. One, damn it, thing, fail. Dora, I can't go any longer. Get over it, Boots. Nobody cares. We have to get going. Oh wait, there's a tree house. Okay, so Dora, the door is stuck and we can't get inside. Well, have I ever let you down before? Many times actually. I've actually made a list. Now who cares? Me and Boots are gonna go get the door open. Wait, Boots, where are you? Boots? Almost got it. Boots, get your skinny little tail down here right now. Oh, Boots, are you okay? This is such a waste of time in this place. Yeah, Boots, let's go home. Dora, where is home? I have no idea. Thank you guys so much for watching this incredibly stupid skit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out. Bye. I hope you cringe a little. Bye.